Welcome to Cat and Kitten Fun Time. Today we're gonna open some Play-Doh Plus Shopkins surprise eggs. We just went to Target today and got some Play-Doh Plus, and then on Friday we got these play sets, and then I got this a little bit ago. Yes. So we are gonna open the Shopkins now. Yes, we are. And I am Evie. Hello. Everyone knows that, or some people do. Maybe let's not do that. That was a blue egg in the cart. That was a blue egg. That's light blue. Now to tell you, there's some season 2 Shopkins. And there's like Shopkins hidden in like the bakery in the small mart. Okay, this was in the cart. Now I hid these. I did it. And what's that? I don't know if Evie hid it. Vicky back. Yep. That's a season 3 Shopkins. Now it's my turn. It's my turn to open one. Okay, focus on her. Don't focus on me. I'm just getting the Play-Doh off.
Okay, Evie. Go ahead and do one.
Evie, how about you do one from the bakery? No.
Just pick whichever one you want, Eve.
I want this one up here. Don't be mean, or else we won't publish this video. What's this? Next time I tell you to do something, you have to do it. If I tell you in the video, because we do Bun Slippers.
Show me.
Bun Slipper. Oh, I forgot to show you Vicky Vac. She has some Play-Doh inside her though. So this is Vicky Vac, the one that I opened. Let's put them up there. Then I opened pink Bun Slippers. Oh, this Play-Doh Plus is mine. The bakery Play-Doh Plus. It's up here. Okay, my turn. And yes. Evie, next you up. Evie, next I open oh, this is ultra rare. These are some of my Shopkins, actually. Zappy Microwave. These are getting covered in Play-Doh Plus. Is this like meant to be sticky Play-Doh? That Play-Doh is so soft. Okay, we open one from the bakery. Hi. Okay. Let's see what's hiding in the bakery. In the purple egg. Okay, guys, you only pay attention to me when I'm opening. What's this? The eggs. Oh, where's the toy? Oh, I see it. Oh, I see it. You see it? Oh, it's Heels. It's Heels. She's covered in Play-Doh. Oh, my turn? Your turn. This is Zappy Microwave covered in Play-Doh. It's Heels in the purple. Heels in purple. To let you know, Zappy Microwave is covered in Play-Doh. It's right there. Heels. Okay, now I'm going to open another Shopkin. Oh, that's Heels. That's Heels. Okay. She's a purple Heels. Okay. Your turn. Pick that one. The white one. Oh, no, no. Evie. Oh. It's season Tanner. Yep, okay. Tanner. Here, I'll put the season 3 up here and the season 2 down there. So those are the season 2 Shopkins and these are the season 3. Okay. Evie, it's your turn. I'm opening this one. What's in here? Oh, yeah, I was matching Shopkins to the colors. Cornmeal mustard. Now let's do these ones. Here, I'll get the Play-Doh out. We need a pencil. Guess we do. So guess we do. I'm getting a pencil. So this one goes down there because it's a season 2. Yes. Cornmeal mustard. That one. Then it's my turn again. Nope, it's my turn. Oh, yes. It's your turn. What's that one? Juicy orange. Oh. So cute. So I have to get the Play-Doh off. So I'm going to get out of the video. So super cute. So super cute.
All right. Well, I think we're done. You want to?
No, we're not.
Not?
We have a Play-Doh egg right there.
All right, your turn, Eve.
My turn. We're not done yet. Okay, now I can show you Juicy Orange. This is Juicy Orange, which goes down there because it's a season 2 Shopkins. Uh-oh, it's Sneaky Sue. I need to sneak around. Sneaking around. This one's empty, this one's empty, this one's
All right.
empty.
I think we're all done. You want to say goodbye?
Evie, no, don't scrunch it together. Bye.